Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel guys. In today's video, we are going to discuss about 5 FADU awesome certifications which are not only going to help you clear RBI grade B, but they are also going to help you by increasing your chances. लेकिन उससे पहले मैं एक मिथ ब्रेक करना चाहता हूँ. अब हमारा जो इंटरव्यू होता है that is of 75 marks, and many people think that just because they are not from finance background or economics background or they do not have any relevant certification to show, therefore they would be given less marks in the interview. But that is not the case. That's a common perception, but that is not the case. Please don't think that interview board is biased towards somebody who is having a certification or is having a finance or economics background. They're not biased. And why I'm saying that, why I'm telling that with so much conviction, because every year you see a lot of students who do not have any background in finance or economics, who have not done much relevant certifications or any relevant certification, they are also able to, like, no, they are also able to get selected. तो ऐसे लोग सेलेक्ट हो रहे हैं. अगर ऐसे लोग सेलेक्ट ना होते फिर हम सोच सकते थे कि शायद इंटरव्यू बोर्ड बायस्ड है. ठीक है, बट हाँ, एट द सेम टाइम ऑब्वियसली इफ यू हैव सम गुड सर्टिफिकेशंस ऑन योर रिज्यूमे, इफ यू हैव गुड नॉलेज अबाउट थिंग्स व्हिच आर गोइंग टू हेल्प यू इन आरबीआई, anybody, I'm not saying interview board, anybody will give you little higher marks that will increase your chance. But ये चीज याद रखना कि just having something on your resume is not going to help you. Rather you think it otherwise, कि अगर आपने कुछ सीखा है, उससे आपको कोई नॉलेज मिली है, आपको उससे कॉन्फिडेंस मिला है, that thing is going to help you not only in your interview but also in your written exam. So this is the perspective you should be having. सर्टिफिकेशन इसलिए नहीं करनी है कि इंटरव्यू में ज्यादा मार्क्स आ जाएंगे. सर्टिफिकेशन इसलिए करनी है क्योंकि उससे नॉलेज आना है, उससे कॉन्फिडेंस आना है, एंड दैट नॉलेज एंड कॉन्फिडेंस इज नॉट ओनली फॉर माई इंटरव्यू बट ऑल्सो फॉर माई रिटन एग्जाम. ये लिख के रख लो. अच्छा पढ़ोगे, क्वालिटी पढ़ोगे, रेलिवेंट पढ़ोगे, हमेशा रिटन और इंटरव्यू में ज्यादा मार्क्स आएंगे. तो सर्टिफिकेशंस कैन हेल्प, बट अगर ये माइंडसेट से दोगे, अब किसी ने कुछ पढ़ा ही नहीं और सर्टिफिकेशन ले लिया ऐसे ऐसे ही, ठीक है, कहीं से कोई सर्टिफिकेशन जुगाड़ लिया, उसको कोई भी फायदा नहीं होने वाला है. मैं लिख के दे सकता हूं, इनफैक्ट उसको नुकसान होने वाला है. तो अब 5 सर्टिफिकेशंस कौन सी हो सकती हैं, 5 सर्टिफिकेशंस कौन सी हो सकती हैं विच कैन एक्चुअली हेल्प मी इन गेनिंग दिस नॉलेज एंड कॉन्फिडेंस. तो इन 5 सर्टिफिकेशंस की बात करेंगे. द फर्स्ट वन ऑन माई लिस्ट इज डीबीएफ, डिप्लोमा इन बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंस. नाउ this is equivalent of JAB certification. If you have not if you're not knowing about JAB certification, let me tell you, this certification is done by bankers to get increments in the banks. So जो भी लोग who are working in the banking sector, if they clear this certification, the JAB certification, they get certain increments in the bank. An equivalent of that is called DBF. Now, this is only for the people working in the banks, but DBF can be given by anybody, right? Even if he or she is not working in the bank. So, आप अगर बैंकिंग सेक्टर में घुसना चाह रहे हैं, अभी घुसे नहीं हैं, you cannot give JAB, but same JAB syllabus, same JAB पेपर को DBF के नाम से आपको सर्टिफिकेशन दी जाती है. If you talk about the length of this DBF certification, it's very lengthy. There are 4 subjects. They are very vast. So it's not an easy certification. It's a very difficult certification. और इसका पेपर साल में 2 बार होता है. Once it happens in May, June, and then somewhere in October or November. So you get 2 chances in a year to clear this certification. Fees I'm not aware as of now what is the exact fees, but अच्छी खासी फीस होती है इसकी एक पेपर की. तो अगर आप चारों पेपर की देंगे, I think it would be like more than 5,000 itself. बाकी will it be helpful in RBI exam? Highly helpful, because 4 subjects पढ़ोगे, there would be a lot of knowledge that you would be getting there. There are a lot of chapters which are overlapping with the RBI syllabus, so it is definitely going to help you in RBI syllabus coverage, RBI फेस टू पेपर आरबीआई इंटरव्यू. ठीक है, और लेकिन ये एज आई टोल्ड यू, इट्स वेरी लेंथी एंड इट्स टफ. डू नॉट डू इट from a perspective of short term preparation. So only if you're targeting say 2025 or 26 RBI, then only you should think about this, because this cannot be done in short term. Neither it should be done, because our main idea of doing a certification is not just to clear it, but rather to gain knowledge which is going to help you in the longer term. जो बाकी नंबर 2, 3, 4 सर्टिफिकेशंस हैं, वो मैं आपको बोलूंगा NISM, नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ सिक्योरिटीज मार्केट, इसको सेबी ही चलाता है। इसमें 3 सर्टिफिकेशंस हैं which can be done by you, which are I would say are beginner level certifications. The first one is mutual fund foundation। ठीक है, मैं आपको इसको दिखाता भी हूँ, हाउ कैन यू बी। ठीक है, आप अगर गूगल पे जाएंगे, यू जस्ट सर्च NISM website, you just search it, NISM website, you click on this। यहाँ पे NISM की वेबसाइट पे जाके you click on certifications, and when you click on certifications you will get the below menu, click on certifications here। यहाँ पे सारी certifications आ जाएंगी। So the one I was talking about is mutual fund foundation। If you click here mutual fund foundation, you will get all the details। इसका फीस कितना है, ठीक है, इसका 1200 है, 1500 नहीं है, इनफैक्ट आई हैव टोल्ड यू 1500, इट्स 1200 है। टेस्ट का ड्यूरेशन क्या है, मैक्सिमम मार्क्स कितने हैं, पास मार्क्स कितने हैं। ठीक है, तो पास मार्क्स आर 50% ऑफ 50 मार्क्स, दैट इज 25। तो ये सारी डिटेल्स आपको यहाँ पे दी गई हैं। इनफैक्ट यू कैन ऑल्सो व्यू दी स्टडी मटेरियल। इफ यू वांट टू व्यू दी स्टडी मटेरियल, आप यहाँ पे क्लिक करेंगे, यू कैन जस्ट फिल दी डिटेल्स। आप कुछ भी भर दीजिए, ये कोई OTP नहीं भेजेगा। से यहाँ पे आपको पूरी लिस्ट आ गई है। से आप म्यूचुअल फंड फाउंडेशन का स्टडी मटेरियल जो यहाँ पे है, इसको डाउनलोड करना चाहते हैं, जस्ट क्लिक ऑन हियर। ठीक है, तो ये पूरा स्टडी मटेरियल आपको डाउनलोड करके दे देगा। सो दिस इज राइट 250 पेजेस अराउंड, राइट। तो यू कैन जस्ट लुक एट इट without paying anything। You can just have a look at it, see if you can read it, if you can understand it। Once you read it, then you can go for the certification। So these are very interesting certifications, I would say। तो इसकी फीस 1200 रुपये है, and you can give it any time। There is no fixed time for this as it is there for JAB examination or DBF examination। Level is easy, language is very easy। Will it be helpful for RBI? Little, maybe in interview, but not much in phase 2 because mutual fund is not a direct topic there। देन देर इज अ सर्टिफिकेशन फॉर इक्विटी डेरिवेटिव्स। तो अगर मैं इसकी बात करूं, इक्विटी डेरिवेटिव्स की, सो इफ यू आर ऑन दिस वेबसाइट, राइट, यहाँ पे अंडर डेरिवेटिव्स देर इज अ सर्टिफिकेशन इक्विटी डेरिवेटिव्स। सो यू कैन क्लिक ऑन हेयर, अगेन यू विल गेट ऑल द डिटेल्स। फीस कितना है, कितने मार्क्स का है, पास मार्क्स कितने हैं। एंड इफ यू वांट टू व्यू द स्टडी मटेरियल, अगेन यू कैन क्लिक ऑन दिस, इट विल टेक यू टू दिस पेज। ठीक है, तो सेम पेज पे आपको ले जाएगा। हेयर यू कैन फाइंड द मटेरियल फॉर इक्विटी डेरिवेटिव सर्टिफिकेशन एग्जाम, यू कैन डाउनलोड दिस। सो अगेन यू कैन रीड इट, फाइंड इट, इफ इट इज something understandable to you, whether you feel confident you can clear this certification। And the third certification is Securities Market Foundation। All these are foundation certifications। The fees of this is 770। Again, you can give it any time। I will say it's very easy। Will it be helpful for RBI? Yes and no, because there is a chapter capital market where you study about securities, like equity, bonds, everything, forex। That part can be covered through this Securities Market Foundation। It is also not much, I think it's around 200 pages again। So again, if you go to the NISM website here, right, so you will under securities market, basics of securities market। So अब Securities Market Foundation पे you click on here, you will get all the details, as in what is the fee, test duration, maximum marks, pass percentage, and you can also download the study material for Securities Market Foundation। It should be somewhere here, ये वाला Securities Market Foundation Certification Examination। So all these certifications you can get all the details from NISM website। There are other websites also like NCFM and all, but I prefer NISM because SEBI RBI has a little say in running of this organization। It's a brainchild of these organizations also। That's why I would say they would give now you the credit for clearing this certification। There is a proper process of these certifications। So ये ज़्यादा कॉस्टली भी नहीं है, ज़्यादा लेंदी भी नहीं है, and they can be covered in very less time, and they would be helpful for you in your RBI examination also, though on a smaller scale as compared to the DBF certification. The last one I would say, because now we are moving towards AI and data analytics, I would request you to do something on those lines, because there that can be a very interesting conversation in your interview. And if you have a decent hold on that, which mostly other people would not have, because not many people are going towards AI or data analytics these days. ठीक है, लोग अपनी normal डिग्रियां करके एग्जाम दे रहे हैं. So if you have this and you can actually do some interesting conversation, I'm sure they're going to take your entire interview on this. So Google AI certifications hai, by the name Google AI Essentials on Coursera. You can do that. It's a very small certification, just 10 hours, where they tell you how to make prompts and everything. And this is not only for your RBI exam. I mean, this will help you in your life. You can give it any time. The fees is around 2000. It's very easy. I mean, once you understand the lectures, it would be very easy for you. It will not be helpful for you in your phase 2 at least, but it can be a good conversation in your interview. So ये भी मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ how to go towards it. Suppose again let's go to the Google, and here I search Google certifications. So online courses with certificates, grow.google. You just click on here, right? So under Google certificates, the first certification that you will get here is AI Essentials. You just click on this, and under that it will give you that 5 modules, around 10 hours, and it takes you to Coursera. Get started on Coursera. So here you can enroll. You can just fill your details. You can pay around 2000 bucks here, and it would be, the lectures would be available to you. They are on-demand lectures. You can watch them at your own pace. So this is about the certifications. And if you ask me personally, what I would prefer you, आप इसमें से एक कर लो कोई, maybe Securities Market Foundation. This would be very basic. Along with that, go for this AI one, because this is not only for the sake of exam. This will give you entire new view of the world, because AI is changing the world very fast. Now, before I go, I would like to make this very special announcement. So we are conducting a mega scholarship aptitude test. And in this, we are giving you a discount of up to 65%, not up to, I would say 65% exactly on our RBI, SEBI, NABARD, Grade A, individual and combo courses. This test would be held from 25th May 10 a.m. to 26th May 11 p.m. 2 दिन चलेगा ये test. The pattern of the test is very simple. You will get 40 questions in 20 minutes. And to clear this test or to avail the scholarship, what you need to do is, in those 20 minutes, you need to get 20 marks. So you have 40 questions. Each question is of 1 mark. In 20 minutes, you need to get 20 marks. There is no negative marking. And the syllabus is also very simple. ऐसा नहीं है कि पूरा RBI का syllabus आ रहा है. Syllabus is very simple. We are giving you current affairs from the month of April 24. So whatever reports, schemes, RBI notifications, ESI news, GA is there in the month of April would be asked in this test. I hope it is very clear, and the way you can register for this MSAT is very easy. There is a link in the description of this video. Just click on that link, register. After that, it will ask you to enroll in the WhatsApp group. Enroll in the WhatsApp group and you will get all the details to give the test and avail the scholarship there itself. Right? So I hope you are ready for it, and now this is an initiative by us to just make some to make courses of it affordable to some of you, because many people are not able to be part of our courses just because they find it that the fees is on the higher side. So this is an opportunity for them. So with that, I take your leave, guys, and do let me know in the chat window that in the comment section rather, that which certification you're planning to give. I want everybody here who is listening to me, please do let me know in the comment section that which certification you're planning to give. So with that, thank you, bye bye, have a nice day.